I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Zedge account and confirming your email so uploads are authorized. Once signed in, pick the image you want, JPG or PNG is standard, and make sure it meets Zedge size and DPI expectations so it displays crisply. Then, open the Creator or Upload section from your profile, press Upload or New Item to begin. You're now in the upload workflow and ready to enter details, so keep the file accessible and follow the prompts that appear on screen. Once the file is selected, add a clear title and relevant tags to improve discovery. Choose the correct category like wallpaper, ringtone, or sticker and set the language. Make use of Zedge's crop and preview tools to pick an aspect ratio, 16:9 or square, and set the focal point so key content isn't trimmed. Then complete metadata. Select license or rights, specify age rating, and write a concise description. These steps help the app recommend and surface your upload to the right users. After filling fields, review the preview carefully and confirm image quality, then tap Publish or Submit. Zedge may run a moderation review before it goes live. Once submitted, monitor notifications for approval and be ready to update tags or re-upload if reviewers request changes. If the upload fails, troubleshoot by resizing the file to fit limits, stripping problematic metadata, or checking your account's upload limits. Make sure your connection is stable. These fixes resolve most issues, so you can publish successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.